New at 5 today, BJ Bernstein has seen her share of high-profile cases, ones that have thrust her into the spotlight along with her clients. And she's won more cases than she's lost.
Bernstein's been doing criminal law for 25 years. She says she loves being an advocate for people. Jaquetta Williams talked with her about that and more.
Yeah, we talked about those high-profile cases. She says she never takes a case for fame or for people around the world to know her name. She trusts her gut. And believe it or not, she still gets a little nervous when she heads into court.
Yes, he's out.
BJ Bernstein knew in the 8th grade after taking a class in her hometown of Columbia, South Carolina, what she wanted to do when she grew up.
I actually like people coming to agreement, and negotiation is a lot of what you do in law.
Even though her father wanted her to take over his insurance business, BJ has been a prosecuting and defense attorney.
The pressure is incredible. I mean, because a person is sitting next to you and they are completely reliant on you
To save their life?
To save their life. So when I switched sides, it was like I had to start all over. And there would be little benchmarks that the world wouldn't know, but maybe the legal world. My first case at the Georgia Supreme Court that eventually led the Georgia Supreme Court to rule on behalf of Marcus Dixon.
Along with being an advocate for Marcus Dixon, charged with aggravated molestation in 2003, it was overturned and dropped to statutory rape.
He plays for the Jets now.
There was also Gennaro Wilson, charged with aggravated child molestation at 17. Wilson spent time in prison but was later released.
We lost a lot on the way to win. It brought me more attention financially. It was devastating. So that's humbling. You get knocked down and you just get back up. And at the same time, he's leading apparently some sort of double life.
Bernstein saw the spotlight again, representing several young men in the Bishop Eddie Long sex scandal.
That matter's resolved and behind, and I don't talk about it.
When the people say your name, there is an automatic level of respect.
I am humbled by it. I don't take it for granted.
There is a funny, sensitive side to BJ. If she wasn't an attorney,
I would be Martha Stewart without the jail time. I could have parties and cater, and I like to cook, I like to decorate, I feng shui, all that good stuff. If I could paint better, and photography better, I could do that.
And she loves her babies. Yo-Yo, her 14-year-old cat, now in failing health, who came to her in a box, along with her second baby, Jaden.
I kind of felt like we were the same. We were both put in a little box, and we needed each other. And she's got me through a lot. When I have hard cases and when I come home,
there she is.
There she is.
Waiting.
There are so many things in this head of 25 years that I can't talk about.
But you tell no one. God.
No one. No one.
Okay.
Maybe Yo-Yo knows something.
Yeah. Then she had the funniest laugh. Cracks me up. I tried my best to get her to tell me a little something, even off the record. She would not budge. So sounds like I'm gonna have to go and talk to Yo-Yo. BJ loves photography, painting, she plays golf, and did you know she does a little improv comedy? She does. She still has to get around to getting married, though. She says she will when the right guy comes around. Hint, hint, right guy, where are ya? Well, you know, you can follow me on Facebook at News Anchor Jaquetta Williams or on Twitter at Jaquetta W. Live in the studio, Jaquetta Williams.
New at 5.